Hi folks. You know, I've been cutting wood for a long time, and I've done several videos on this Husky log splitter behind me. But one of the problems I've never discussed, and I've had for a long time with log splitters in general, is this small steel pad at the back of the rails. Now, when this is in the horizontal position, it's not a problem when you're splitting wood. You can just roll the wood off and load it onto your trailer or your ATV, whatever. When it's in the vertical position like this, and you're trying to cut a large diameter log like this, they don't always sit in a stable position, especially if you're on ground that you've been cutting wood for a while and you've got mulch, you've got old bark, wood shavings, rock, whatever. They tend to fall off. Now what I've done in the past is I'll throw a knee into a big log like this, or a shoulder, or wrap my arm around it and try and hold it until the bit comes down and grabs it and starts to split. Well, that works, and I've never been hurt, but unfortunately, that's a distraction, and you should be focusing on the equipment, not trying to get something held in place. So what I did was I found something. It's really a cool idea. It's easy to make. You'll actually spend probably more in gas to go get the materials, more in time to go pick them up than it will take to put it together. It's just a really cool gadget. It works for me, and I hope it'll work for you too. So watch how I made it. This took me all of about 10 minutes to make. 6 of it was probably spent in my garage looking for an ink pen and a tape measure. I don't own the patent to this. It's not my idea, but it's a really neat thing. And for somebody like me that has spent all these years struggling when I could have done something, sometimes I'm a dummy. But I don't own the idea. You could make it however it suits you. More boards, longer boards. You could cut around the shape of your end pad down here, whatever fits for you. I just thought this has really been a great help to me, and I should share it with somebody out there, because I'm not too ashamed to say I finally figured something out that I should have figured out a long time ago, and it was really easy. Thanks for watching AmericanOutdoors.net. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.